Hello, welcome back to Everything Mental Health with Dr. Nenna, and we are still on the series for Casc examination. Today we are looking at the materials and practice for Casc. There are lots of materials out there, but I'll just talk about three or four that I found very helpful. Number one is the monthly guide for the Casc examination. Is written by psychiatrists based in the UK. It exposes candidates to exam scenarios. It gives a very robust actor's script, which is important when you're beginning your practice. You want to have a feel what the actors are told in the real exam. Something very unique about this book is that it doesn't necessarily tell you how to ask your questions. It just gives you a guide on how to approach the station. The advantage of this is that it prevents you from being checklisty or building yourself into a mold. It gives you the liberty to develop your own pattern and know how to approach stations. And you will definitely need this under the tension of the exam. Number two material is SPMM booklet. SPMM Saving Lives Since Paper A and B, right? Is still relevant in Casc. I would say that SPMM booklet is more like a compendium of past questions. Okay, so the stations you will see in SPMM would be very similar to what you will see in the real examination. It is only similar, it's not exactly the same. So it exposes you to a lot of stations and helps you to practice while preparing for the exam. Again, it goes a step further to give you the competency domains. Now, this is a good guide to know what is expected of you in each station. However, do not limit yourself to only the competency domains provided by SPMM. Now, the third material is the SPMM videos. For IMGs, sometimes we struggle to ask some sensitive questions, especially about gender disorders, gender identity disorders, sexual offenses. But the SPMM video will build your confidence and help you normalize such questions. Last but not the least